Alright guys, welcome back to another video. DC5 Kev here. This is the first episode of the restoration Rsx. We have it cut right now. I put it in the driveway because it's going to be here for a while. But yeah, let's get started with this. We're going to start taking off the body kit, the lip kit, and we're going to start unwrapping the car. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, as you guys can see, I already started taking off the bumper. What I've noticed is that before my bumper would sag because I don't know if because it was oh, now I know why, because this thing is missing like the bolts from right there and then from over here too, so I think that's why it kind of sags a little bit. But I'm gonna try to get some bolts for that. And yeah, we already took off the bumper because the other one was burnt, so I did end up buying a new one. Let me show you guys right now. So this is the one I ended up buying. It's the white one, OEM. I bought it off some guy on OfferUp for like, was $140. I got this one for, so not bad. The reason I had to get this one was because the other one I had was already burned from the exhaust where it shows. I'll show you guys right here. I have it right here. This thing was all burnt off. So, and then the bumper here is all burnt from up top too. So yeah, I had to get a new one. This is an old bumper with the mutant lip, and then that's the new one we're gonna put on with the A-spec rear lip, so everything's gonna look hella nice and fresh from the back. And I already started unwrapping from the back because start off small, then go to the bigger parts. So I did the trunk, like half the trunk, and then we finished the deck lid too. This is the original paint color. I forgot the name of the paint color of this one, but this is the OEM color. And then currently already starting on the door because for the like the bigger body parts, like the quarter panel and then the fenders and the front lip, I have to take off the side skirts because it's in the way. But I have saving that for later because I have to jack up the car and then take off the bolts, the screws that are on right there. So yeah, I'm saving that for later. And then yeah, I just started on the door right now. It's taking me a while because this is kind of burned. It like burned all of this. So this is, you can already tell that we needed a new wrap because this was already looking hell ugly. But yeah, we started on the door. Hopefully it doesn't take me that long because this is like pretty stuck on there, but we'll see how long it takes us. All right guys, so I totally forgot to finish the video for the Rsx. I did finish wrapping it. Last time I stopped the camera was when I was finishing the door, but I already took off all the wrap. Shout out to Brian that he let me borrow the heat gun with this one real quick. Oh fuck, look, this thing got stuck. Doesn't even want to open sometimes. There we go. But yeah, shout out to Brian for letting me borrow the heat gun. Did this come in handy? It did come in handy because like it's easy. Yeah, it kind of softens the wrap and it's easier to take off. But the paint did kind of get like fucked up, especially like the bumper. Like that one did get hella nasty and shit. You guys can see. Check it out. The bumper is the one that took the most damage, but I mean, I did sand it the best I could. I'm not a pro freaking sander or anything like that, but I'll probably end up taking it to a paint shop so I could get this all done already and everything fixed. But I don't know, I'm not sure yet. I'm kind of stuck with the car. I haven't did like some Bondo work right here, but I don't know guys. This is how it looks right now. This is the original color of the car. I already took off the trims too, like this window trim, one up top, and I think I showed you guys the new bumper I had in the back. I already put it on, but yeah, this is how it's looking right now. It's looking beat. Yeah man, I hate having the car like this, and I haven't driven it in like probably like a month or so. And yeah, like I just needed to finish this video so I could upload it and show you guys where I'm at right now with the Rsx. But yeah, like give me a color ideas on what to paint the car, or even the wheels too. Like I for sure want to get some 3-piece wheels so we could bump the quality of the car. But yeah, just make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We're currently in the process of changing the name of the channel, so that's how we haven't been uploading videos. Yeah, man, just put in the comments down below, like, oh, what color should be cool on the Rsx, and then what wheels too, and then anything's acceptable. I'm open to anything. But yeah, make sure you guys comment down below, and then you guys give it a thumbs up, and then subscribe too. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.